Buy this shoe before it's too late, and here's why. This is a very special shoe, and there is a hidden meaning behind it that is gonna cause it to keep going up in price. It's only sitting at retail, so now is the time to buy. What shoe is it? Let's see. And if you want free military blue 4s or any pair you see right here, hit that subscribe button, comment, done, and you're in. Yo, the what the dunks. Check these out. Bro, there's like 7 or 8 different shoes on one pair. 2 different colored laces hanging off the shoes. Dude, if you wear these from the back, people aren't gonna know what shoe you're wearing. Even the tongues are different colors and the tags on the tongue. The toe box. Really, bro? This pair of shoes is absolutely insane, and there's a lot of history behind it. Fortunately, we're lucky enough that this shoe is only sitting at retail right now. So we can buy this shoe for only 150 bucks. This sneaker is called the Nike What the Dunk Code JP. Code JP stands for Concept Japan, which is a concept that Nike originally launched to help Nike go viral in different countries. This shoe was released in 2017 in Japan only, and we had no chance of getting it. It was Nike's way of inviting Japan into the sneaker game, and boy did it work. Many people believe that the 2017 release revolutionized how we collect and trade sneakers today. This one shoe includes parts from 8 different sneakers. It includes original color schemes from the 1985 Dunk highs, Be True to Your School slate, as well as the Kentucky Dunk, Michigan Dunk, UNLV, Syracuse, St. John's, Villanova, and Iowa. Wow, all put into one shoe. Now, do you see why you gotta buy this pair? This is a very, very special shoe. Not only did it help to revolutionize the sneaker culture in 2017, Nike purposely released this shoe 10 years after the What the SB Dunk. I don't even think I gotta talk about how crazy the What the SB is. If you have that shoe brand new right now, it goes for $30,000. Even used, you could get 10 grand for it. The What the SB Dunk includes 31 different pairs of sneakers, with the last pair being the eBay SB for the inside sock liner on the left shoe. Many people would never know this if Project Blitz didn't recently complete the set. Yes, Nike took all 31 of these pairs and put them into one Nike SB Dunk that was released in 2007, which goes for $30,000 right now. 10 years later, they gave this shoe to Japan, and the US was bummed about it. We wanted it too. 2024, we finally got this pair. And here's the weird thing. Right before this pair released, the 2017 pair was going for anywhere from $500 to $1,000. After we saw the 2024 pair shock drop, which I happen to hit on, all pairs of the What the Dunk are sitting at $150 right now. I think that could be because they're identical and there's nothing to tell the 2 pairs apart. So who's to say you got the old one or the new one? Nonetheless, it's just because we had a shock drop. These pairs are gonna go up. And if you got 150 bucks sitting around, use it to buy this pair. I promise you're gonna thank yourself. And I don't know if you remember, but about 2 years ago, the Kentucky Nike Dunk was going for $700 in most sizes. And the St. John's Nike Dunk was going for like $500. I think there's a strong chance when the economy comes back, all shoes are gonna go up in price. And with this pair having a little piece of all the Nike Dunks, who knows what price this is gonna go to. I tell you one thing, I see this shoe being at least $500 a few years from now. It is definitely worth your time to throw 150 bucks into a shoebox and watch it go to 500 bucks. Even if it takes a few years, what were you gonna do with the money anyway? After all, this is the closest some of us are ever gonna get to the What the Dunk. All I've ever done was held a pair. Buy this shoe right now before it's too late. All right, everyone, I told you to buy this shoe. Now, if you don't buy it and it doubles in price, don't come running to me. Scoop a pair up, keep them brand new in the box, leave them on your shelf, and let them make you some money. Rare quality merch is dropping very soon, so get your 20 bucks ready. All t-shirts are handmade by me and are numbered 1 out of 100. And they even have rare quality tags. Get ready because they're dropping sooner than you think. And if you want to get the best sneaker bags out, go to creaseguards.com and use my code RQC50 and you're gonna get the best sneaker bags out for half off. Alright everyone, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check this video out. I think you're gonna like it. And if you want free shoes, hit that subscribe button because when I hit 20K, I'm giving a pair away. And have a blessed rest of your day and I will see you all in the next video. Peace!